Hello everyone, I'm Aisha, and you are tuned in to the 614 episode of our Here and Now podcast. Today, we bring you the latest buzz from the insurance industry. So, let's dive right in. Our first story today from Outlook Money, which is a wake up call for anyone planning an adventure holiday. That trek through the mountains or scuba diving trip you have been dreaming of, your standard travel insurance policy probably won't cover it. Most regular plans have extensive lists of exclusions for high risk activities, leaving you dangerously exposed. An accident during one of these adventures could leave you facing massive uncovered medical bills or emergency evacuation costs in a foreign country, turning a dream vacation into a financial nightmare. This is where you need to upgrade your safety net. The solution is a specialized adventure sports cover or a hazardous activities rider. Our very own Amarnath Saxena, Chief Technical Officer at Bajaj General Insurance Limited, often explains that a standard travel policy is like a city car. It is great for regular roads. But for an adventure holiday, you need an SUV. An adventure sports cover is like a SUV specifically built to handle the rough terrain of high-risk activities. This add-on provides the essential coverage for everything from high-altitude trekking to underwater sports. It is a small addition to your premium, but it gives you immense peace of mind, letting you push your limits without risking your financial security. Our next story today from Kesari highlights that as the seasons change, many of us find ourselves battling common winter ailments like coughs, colds, and fevers. While these often don't require hospitalization, the costs of doctor's visits, diagnostic tests, and medicines can still add up. This brings us to our next story, which focuses on a practical solution: outpatient department or OPD insurance. Our very own Bhaskar Nerurkar, head of the health administration team at Bajaj General Insurance Limited. He emphasizes that an OPD cover is a critical tool. It is designed not only to reduce out-of-pocket expenses, but also to encourage early disease diagnosis, which is key to better health outcomes and managing costs effectively. So, what exactly is an OPD plan? Think of it as coverage for all your medical expenses that do not involve an overnight hospital stay. This includes doctor consultations, diagnostic tests like blood work and x-rays, and even prescription medications. By adding an OPD plan to your existing health insurance, you can significantly reduce your out-of-pocket expenses for these common illnesses. This is especially beneficial for early disease detection through routine checkups and for managing chronic conditions that require ongoing care. And here is another perk: the premiums you pay for this additional cover are also eligible for tax benefits under Section 80D. For a small additional cost, an OPD plan acts as a financial safety net, ensuring that a simple winter illness doesn't disrupt your budget. Moving on to the next story from the Times of India, which highlights a threat that is literally in the air we breathe. That familiar haze hanging over our cities is more than just an eyesore. It is a direct and growing danger to our health and our finances. The article points to a stark reality: increasing pollution is no longer just an environmental problem, but a primary driver of illness. According to the State of Air Report 2025, air pollution was linked to over 2 lakh deaths in India in 2023 alone. This is not a distant statistic. It translates into a surge in respiratory diseases, heart conditions, and hospitalizations, which can drain a family's savings in a matter of days. The financial toll of a pollution-related illness can be devastating. The cost of treatments, consultations, and medications adds up quickly, pushing many households into debt. This is where health insurance transforms from a good-to-have option into an essential pillar of stability. A robust health plan ensures that you can seek immediate medical care the moment symptoms appear without worrying about the cost. It provides a critical shield against the high expenses of treating respiratory and cardiovascular issues. Furthermore, many plans now include preventive health checkups, which can help detect pollution-related health risks early, allowing you to take proactive steps to protect your well-being. In this changing environment, health insurance is becoming your most vital defense against the air we breathe. And for our final story today, from Cafe Mutual highlights that the government is reportedly set to allow open architecture for insurance agents. So, what does this mean for you? In the past, an insurance agent was typically tied to a single company, limiting the products they could offer. With open architecture, agents will be empowered to sell policies from multiple insurance companies. This is a game changer for consumers. It means more choice, the ability to easily compare different plans side by side, and the potential for more advice tailored to your specific needs. This move towards a more flexible and consumer-friendly market aims to increase transparency and ultimately empowering you to find the best possible coverage at the most competitive price. And with that, we conclude today's episode. We hope you found these news updates helpful and insightful. As always, our podcast, Here and Now, will continue to bring you more such insurance updates. Until then, take care, goodbye, and have a great week ahead.